Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and signing into an admin account. That prevents permission errors. Open System Settings, then Touch ID and password and click Add a fingerprint. When prompted, enter your account password so macOS can record authentication data securely. Place the side of your thumb or finger gently on the sensor, lift and rest repeatedly. This trains multiple angles. Make sure to use a dry, clean finger because skin condition affects the sensor's capacitive reading. Once done with the initial scan, follow the on-screen prompts and continue lifting and repositioning your finger gradually so the sensor maps different contact points. Move slightly to capture the tip, sides, and base. This improves recognition if your finger approaches at an angle. If you expect to unlock in varied positions, add a second fingerprint, like an opposite thumb or index finger, to avoid lockouts. Remember why. Broader sample data reduces failed attempts and speeds up everyday unlocking. You finish by testing Touch ID immediately. Lock the MacBook Pro, then press the power button or touch the sensor to unlock. If it's slow or rejects, make sure your finger is dry and try again. Repeated failures can be solved by deleting and re-enrolling the fingerprint. If problems persist, update macOS because firmware fixes matter. As a troubleshooting tip, clean the sensor with a soft, lint-free cloth and re-register fingerprints. That fixes most recognition issues caused by oils or residue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.